Don't you fucking dare. Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be
COoKiNg curry!
Sorry about that. So basically we're gonna be
Poppadoms!
Poppadoms, are they?
What you get from India? What you get from India?
I get your slipper and fucking smack you, mate.
No COoKiNg curry.
Stop it. I swear to God.
On your badges!
It didn't fucking work.
This? That's why.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Wrong pocket, no.
You calling me a dickhead? It's not very nice now, isn't it?
Sorry, no way.
That's not very nice either.
Yeah,
That's not very...
Sorry, Charlie.
My name's not Charlie, my name's
Sorry,
Carmine.
Caroline.
Stop. Cal, please stop. Cal. Go on, Cal. That's 3. That's 4.
That's 5.
That's... Shut up. That's 5.
That's 6.
That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. Now do your ABCs.
20 fucking elephants!
We have a
I
swearing.
don't think he understands.
We have a swearing.
Fuck off.
Listen. Huh?
Don't think he's gonna quit swearing, you know.
Our cutting edge technology means we can get going again in around 30
There.
I'm looking at you.
and without attacking.
I don't know what we're going to call this video, but I'm going to load it anyway. This is your content. Don't ask what I just made, okay?
BG!